Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavya. I prepare pure vegetarian recipes. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link them in the description box below. Today we're making a warm, comforting Dal Khichdi. It's a one-pot recipe, student and bachelor friendly. Well, in fact, even if you're a person who hasn't walked into the kitchen till now, you can easily master this recipe just because of its simple ingredients and a very quick and easy cooking process. This can be ready in just 20 minutes. It's a nice golden yellow, happy food, and it's also very comforting for your gut. And if you're on the go or in a hurry, you can just prepare it right away. And it's my favorite food too. Now let's see what the ingredients are. We'll need 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of moong dal, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, some asafoetida, cumin, 6 to 7 cloves, and a pinch of turmeric. We'll need 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. If you're a vegan, then skip the ghee and add in oil of your choice. Now in a heated pan, add in some ghee, cumin, and cloves and give them a good stir. Add in a pinch of asafoetida or hing. To it, add the washed rice and dal. You'll need lots and lots of water for this recipe. Add in 7 to 8 cups of water, some salt and turmeric. Give it a good stir. Keep it on high flame for about 4 whistles and then lower it for another 5 minutes. That's it. It's ready. Very simple, right? If you feel the need to add in more water to get this consistency, you can add it at this point. And I've got a very interesting combination for you. You can serve it with some pickle and also jaggery. I'm sure you'll definitely love it. Just drizzle on some more ghee, or rather lots and lots of ghee. It's very simple, tasty, comforting, and very healthy too. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.